Hi guys, designer BreeKel here with a new video for you. In this video, I'm so excited. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Juki MS 1500, which is a chain and cover stitch. This stitch is what you will find on the bottom of knitwear hems on like t-shirts and sweaters. So I got one for me and I'm going to go ahead and show you. I've been wanting this machine for a really long time, as you can tell. But anyway, so if you're interested in all things sewing, fashion, and design, please hit subscribe because this channel is made for you. Okay, let's get going. So I went ahead and cut the tape. There's like staples on here. Okay. So looks like we have a manual.
Yeah.
Here are my scissors. Can they see up here? Okay. So we got our styrofoam. Okay, so here's for our threads. And then here's the foot. Okay, here's for the threads. Put the styrofoam over here. Oh, look! So this part was on top of the box. It looks like it's like some type of shipping information or warranty with it. It looks like it comes with, they gave me threads, the little cover for it, which is for my overlock. So this is a Juki as well. I can review that machine as well if you'd love to, but we'll stick with this one for now. Anyway, oh, Prin, are you here to help me?
Yes. Right,
okay, anyway, we'll keep going. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull. Sorry, we're so excited. Okay. Ooh.
Is that heavy?
It's a little heavy, but honestly, it feels the same weight as my overlock. And then this is what it will look like.
Okay, this is what I want to get a close up.
So we can do
that's
a 3
the outside.
Yeah, so we can do a 3 stitch or a 2 stitch
and
or a 1 stitch.
Like.
Yeah, let me.
With you. I hate to agree with this, but that was absolutely amazing.
So really quick, I want to show them. Yes. On the box, here's the different examples you can do. You could do a 1 stitch,
4 thread,
3 stitch, or 4 stitch. Here's the different examples.
Cover stitch. Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead. Look, Prin, your favorite plastic.
Prin.
Check
it out, yo.
Look how big. See, here's the 3 needle. And then I'm going to go ahead and add. Oh, wow. Luckily, they kept the threads in for me. So I'm going to see how you thread this. To be totally honest, I've never thread one of these machines before, so I might have to play with it. But all good. I can figure it out.
That really fast, so I can.
Oh yeah, let's show them on the inside.
Okay.
And then you can open this. And then here.
Sorry, Kelly. Okay.
So this is the under thread that does all of this. And then here are the 2 or the 3 upper loopers.
Wow. I really just wanted to get this.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Oh, see? That's new. Okay, so this little piece that was, in the box, I'm going to put it right here.
All right. You say so.
That's how it was on this machine too. Oh, Prin, she found a new box. She loves her boxes.
She sure does.
Okay, I think that should be good enough. We might have to hear it click in, but I'll play with that later.
Interesting.
And then pull this up. Okay, and then match the colors. So there's blue, 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 green, green, purple. Purple's was down here in the back.
Gotcha.
And then the yellow, yellow right here in the front. So let me grab right here, yellow. Okay. And then you just follow along. So I'm going to open this. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some thread. Let's do, so we had green, blue, yellow, and purple. Okay, so blue.
Blue.
And then I'm going to tie blue with blue.
Sister. Throwing it in the shop. Not really. There we go.
All right, scoot over, Kyler's. Oh, wait.
She scoots more in.
I know, she knows how it is. Okay, let's
look at that foot paddle. Thing's freaking sick. That's so cool. You wear really cool sock and you push. You can wear a special shoe for the paddle.
Plug it in.
It's juiced up, baby. Let's go. Let's see the lights turn on. Uh-oh. Yeah. What color is this one going to be? They all have different kinds of lighting. We got action.
Okay, and then I'm going to put the tension at 1. Put this up. Let's see, let's do... Okay, so blue is 1. So this one is blue. I'm going to pull this one straight forward first. Oh, it looks like green. Green is next. Green got into blue. There we go. Green. Okay. And then I'm going to pull yellow. Hold on. Okay. And then now the tricky one, which is purple, which is the looper, the under looper. This up here. Oh, I should grab my tweezers. There we go. You want to see over here? So it starts from back here and goes all the way around and then comes through here, right here.
Well, okay, let me see. Back over here. All the way through over here. Let's see. Right there, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to close this.
That's coming from off this bad boy. Yeah.
I can smell the new machine smell. Okay, guys, I went ahead and I threaded the machine. And then obviously, as you see, I'm using the color of thread that matches where it needs to go. Like green goes with green, just so like I can see how the tension is and everything. And then make sure you put it back to 3 or 4. Because when you thread it, you want to put it at 1 to make these loose, right? Anyway, let me go ahead and show you. Ah, so beautiful. So excited. Oh my gosh. And That's how it went. Wonder if there's a way to... Alrighty, you guys, that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and unbox this machine. I am so excited. If you want me to do a review, I will be doing a review video on it later. I just wanted to have some time with it, play with it for a little bit. And if you want me to do a review on my overlock, I'm more than happy to do that as well. And then I got my straight stitch industrial over there. Videos that are coming out, I am working on this red dress design, and then a t-shirt video will be available soon. So if you're interested in all things sewing, fashion, and design, please hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram at designerbreekels, and please stay creative, you guys, and I will see you in a new video. Thanks, bye!